Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. We have here two cold fronts that are going to be controlling the weather across southern South Africa this Friday. And behind the two cold fronts, we are going to be seeing isolated rain showers along the west coast as well as over much of the western and eastern Cape provinces. Then in the afternoon, the showers could spill into the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Sunny skies are forecast once again for the rest of South Africa, and it's going to stay hot across the Mpumalanga and Limpopo Lowveld areas. And we are watching this other cold front which is set to hit the southwestern areas as we go through Saturday. In the meantime, here's a look at the chance of you seeing wet weather coming your way this Friday. Up to a 60% chance of rain is forecast along the southwest coastline and the adjacent interior. The chance of precipitation decreases as we go further up the west coast as well as eastwards along the south and the east coast. Now let's take a look at top temperatures expected for your Friday afternoon. It's going to be comfortably warm across much of the northwest with highs in the mid-20s, a bit warmer for Pretoria, peaking at 26. Similar temperatures for Modimolle and Polokwane, a hot 30 for the high in Mbombela, and 33 is forecast for the top temperature in Palabora. It's also going to be pretty warm across much of KwaZulu-Natal, mild across the Free State, and it's going to be cold for the Eastern Cape, Grahamstown, managing a high of just 13. Mild, however, from Tata, peaking at 21 degrees. Moderate to fresh southwesterlies are forecast along much of the east coast. It's going to be fairly warm for Richards Bay, peaking at 24. Cooler as we go towards East London and Port Elizabeth. A cold Friday afternoon is forecast for the southern interior with temperatures in the lower to mid-teens for most areas, a bit warmer as we go towards Vredendal. We are expecting similar temperatures for the south and the southwest coastline, where moderate to fresh southwesterlies are forecasted this Friday, and we're expecting swell highs to reach around 2.5 meters off the south coast, and the swell should come from a south to southwesterly direction. It's going to be cold across much of the northern Cape, highs around 11 for Springbok and Calvinia. Colder as we go towards Sutherland. A mild 19 is forecast for the top temperature in Kimberley. Southwesterlies are forecast along much of the west coast, where temperatures will lie around 16 degrees between Cape Town and Alexander Bay. Looking ahead to your Saturday, rainy weather continues for the southern and southeastern parts of the country, where temperatures are set to get colder. It's going to be sunny for the northern sections.